Acupuncture for tension headaches. It is estimated that nearly 75% of the population will get at least one headache every year. 30 to 40% suffer from occasional tension-type headaches, and approximately 3% are afflicted with chronic daily headaches, with women being twice as likely as men. Many people experience them late in the afternoon after work as the stress of the day has built up and taken hold. What causes tension headaches? Tension headaches have a variety of causes, and usually several of them are working in tandem to tighten things up, generally in the neck and upper back, which puts the head in a veritable vice. Some of the most common causes of muscle tension are poor posture, overwork, stress, either mental or emotional, depression, anxiety, and inadequate sleep. How can acupuncture help? Two large trials investigating whether adding acupuncture to basic care, which usually involves only treating unbearable pain with painkillers, found that those patients who received acupuncture had fewer headaches. 47% of patients receiving acupuncture reported a decrease in the number of headache days by at least 50%, compared to 16% of patients in the control groups. Evidence suggests that acupuncture could be a valuable option for patients suffering from frequent tension-type headaches. For relief from your tension headaches, call White Dragon Healing Arts at 612-730-4336.